Hey guys, it's Jason at Kaiser Willys, and today I want to talk about the parking lights. We sell these sockets, and you can see that they don't have a wire here. So I'm going to show you one of the easy ways to do this. I've got a little brass rivet here. Got the bullet end. That's going to be the other end. You've got one that's a bullet and one that's a lug, so we're just going to do the one that's got the bullet. So here we have our wire. It's unterminated on either end. So the first thing to do, let's go ahead and take our trimmers. We're going to go ahead and trim this off, both ends. We're then going to take our rivet. We're going to put it on here like so. Take our crimp. Okay, now that we've got our rivet crimped onto the end of the wire, we are going to fish this through the socket. We'll come out this end here. Okay, now we've fished our socket through. You can see our contact down there for a bulb. And now you've got your parking light socket, wire, bullet. You slip this through the hole on the parking light place on the grill, and then this sits up against behind it. Now that you've got this going, you just add a bulb, hook it up to your electrical system, and then you're off. Thanks for watching.